Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to export HR schema using Oracle SQL Developer. So this here, Oracle SQL Developer. So first going to create with the connection using HR schema. So let's give the HR con, then user giving their HR, giving their password, then here overshare. Let's click on this test connection, this success, click on this connect. Now you can see inside this table, this all tables are there. Thereafter, you need to go on this tools tab. Then here database export option is there. So they're going to select here HR. Now no need to change anything here. You need to browse the destination folder where or there you want to export the files. So here on this desktop, creating HR.sql file. Click on this save. No need to change anything. Click on this next. This all going to export there. Click on this next, 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 and finish. So this is now exporting this file, and this all is there. Thereafter, you can see the file on this desktop HR. So file created on December 19 here, and this you can see create to sequence. So first that's for sequence here. This is for table generation. Here this is primary key, and now commit. After that department tables creation, then employees table creation, job tables creation, job history, location, and after there here this is for insertion of the record. So in HR countries, this record that's inserting there. So this query you can use this, and thereafter you can easily create the table and insert the records. So this is how we can export HR schema using Oracle SQL Developer. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.